and I want to create a new REPL. So here are some shortcut buttons because I told Replit what languages I was interested in. You can write programs that use something called Turtle Graphics. And if you want to do that in Replit, you have to click this Python with Turtle button here to create a new Replit for Python with Turtle. That's one way to do it, to press this button. But I'm going to show you how to do it if you're just saying that you want to create a new Replit project here. So when you say create a new Replit project, you get a list of all the possible languages. It's just a long list. And you, at the top, it will put the languages that you indicated were kind of your 3 favorite languages. So I'm going to say Python with turtles. I'm going to say turtle test to show you your first example of a turtle program. So now we're using not just Python, but Python with turtles. And this is going to look a little different. Part of it is the same. I can say print hello world. And when I run it, my result appears in the console, but you have also a result window. So there are 2 kinds of results now that you can have. The console results and other results. Okay. In order to see what's in the other result window, we have to use Turtle Graphics. At the top of my program, I need to type import turtle. And so it still prints hello world when I run it. Import turtle tells Python how to draw using a feature called the turtle, which I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to give a command here, turtle.forward 100. Okay, so this is a new command. We did print before. This command is a turtle command, and when I say turtle.forward 100, let's see what it does. I'm going to focus on this result window now. Here is the turtle. It's a little delta-shaped mark in the result window, and it represents a position in the drawing space. This is a drawing space that is kind of like a pen that has been placed on a piece of paper. So what happened here is the pen started out over here, and then I told it, and it was facing to the right, and I told the turtle, which you can think of as kind of like a pen, to move forward 100. And then the turtle moved forward 100, and because it was touching the paper, it dragged along and drew a line that is 100 pixels long. So I'm just going to show you a couple of other commands. You can say turtle.left to turn left, and you can give it a number of degrees to turn. So I'm going to say turtle.left 45 degrees, and then I'm going to send it turtle.forward 50 pixels. So now I'll run this program, we'll see what it does. So the turtle goes forward 100, then turns left 45 degrees, and then goes forward 50, which is half of what it went before. And you can see you can start to draw pictures with this. Okay, there's quite a lot that you can do with turtles. If you search Turtle Graphics Python, you'll actually get the documentation for Python's Turtle Graphics library. And if you click on that, there's a very thorough document that shows all of the commands that you can give a turtle. I suggest looking at this document and playing with the turtle a little bit. That's a quick example of how Python with turtles can allow you to draw